Takoyaki. Takoyaki is a famous Japanese snack and is also known as octopus balls. This ball-shaped snack is crispy outside and has minced octopus. Prepare octopus feet. Bake takoyaki. Add the batter. Red cabbage. Red cabbage. Corn. Corn. Onion. Onion. And then add more batter to cover these ingredients. The color of takoyaki. Pick them up and flip them over. Wow, they smell so great! Let's pick them out of the pan with a fork. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Salad dressing. Chopped scallions. Yo-ho! Takoyaki is ready to be served. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.